What's up, my peeps? So I'm getting ready to show you how I do beach wine curls on a custom wig that I created. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna give y'all story time. So my story time is gonna be based on the whole uh debate about concept salons versus salon suites. And I've worked in both. I've owned about 4 or 5 salons as well as worked in many salons from Oakland to Sacramento to Chicago to Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm gonna give y'all a story time from uptown to downtown to all around. So this particular story is gonna be one of the things that traumatized me from working in open concept salons. And this is the story of the two sisters brawl. So I had these two sisters that were customers. They never came in together before. They always usually made their appointments separate. So this particular day, I decided to book them together. They came in. I had a client in the chair that I was finishing up on. When they came in, it was in good spirits, laughing, talking, joking, ha ha ha, he he he. It was all love. So while they're waiting, they said, okay, we're going to go across the street to the store and get us some refreshments or whatever. So I'm like, okay, cool. So they go to the store, they come back from the store, and the energy shifted. The energy was just different. I should have known it was going to be all bad when the first sister walked in eating a bottle of baby powder. I'm like, what the? You know what I mean. So I'm like, okay, let's see how this is gonna play out. So they come back in and they got into an argument when they were at the store. So the one sister told the other sister, just let me get my keys to my car. So instead of this heifer handing the keys to her sister, she lunged them at him, threw her at her. And honey, when I tell you they locked up like 2 pit bulls, shaking like red noses up in that thing, that's exactly what they did. And before anybody could say anything after she threw them, they squared up and started boxing. I mean, when they tell you they locked up, they locked up. They tossed it, turned everything around this salon. And mind you, this was my homegirl shop. They didn't care if I got put out the shop. They didn't care about anything. And we were trying to break them up, but in the midst of that, we don't want to get hit because these 2 pit bulls is hitting like Mike Tyson. It's blood. One of them, they got the head busted, and it's a mess. And they 2 big burly broads at that. So I'm like, oh no, hold on. So we asked them, yelling, please stop, don't, do, woo. They didn't care about nothing we said. They kept on fighting until they were out of breath. We finally was able to split them up once they was out of breath without getting punched. So we split one up, took one in the front. My homegirl took the other one in the back, calmed them down. And do you know they had the audacity to steal and the nerve to still want to get their hair done after that? I'm like, y'all can't be freaking serious. The way y'all just tore up this girl shop over some shit that was probably hella petty because when y'all came in here, y'all was good. I don't know what was said in between the walk to the store, in the store, but it wasn't that fucking serious why you had to be in here fighting your blood sister in the middle of somebody's hair salon with other clients in here, children in here, everything else. They didn't give a damn. So you think I give a damn about doing your hair? Hell no. But they were trying to be persistent and didn't want to leave. We actually had to tell these 2 heifers that the police was on their way, lie and tell them the police was on their way for them to go ahead and leave. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe this shit just happened. 2 blood sisters in here fighting like pit bulls, y'all. So when it comes to the open concept salon versus the salon suite, I prefer my suite now in my big old age because it's just more peace for me. I can control the environment. I only take one person at a time. So in today's time, those two, that would never happen because I don't even book 2 people at one time. And that's one of the reasons why. One person at a time, you in and out of here. We have no problem, no drama. Keep the doors locked because I got a whole bunch of stories to tell. This is just part one of why I prefer salon suites. To those of you that prefer, yes, there's some things I miss about the open concept salon. You know, the sisterhood, the unity, the laughs, the jokes, people coming in selling stuff for half price, the cake ladies coming in with the cakes and the pies and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? And y'all linking up, going to lunch together, things of that nature. Watching other people do hair, you might learn a technique here or there. You know, that's all cool and fine.